little fox.
Meet the animals. Great white shark. Hello. Wow, who are you?
I'm a great white shark. I'm one of the biggest fish on Earth.
Where do you live?
Great white sharks live in the ocean. We like to swim in cool water.
Are you dangerous?
We can be very dangerous. But we don't usually attack people. Instead, people often hunt us.
What do you eat?
We eat lots of fish. We also eat sea lions, dolphins, and turtles.
So, you have to hunt for food?
Yes, we're amazing hunters. We can smell our prey from far away.
Your teeth look pretty sharp.
Our teeth are very sharp. We have about 300 of them. See? Snap!
Are you fast?
Great white sharks are very fast. Our tails are long and powerful. They help us shoot through the water. Look, there's another shark. Goodbye.
Goodbye, great white shark. Meet the animals. Leopard. Oh, hello there. Who are you?
I am a leopard. Leopards are big cats.
Where do you live?
We live in Africa and Asia. We love jungles and grasslands.
Why are you up in that tree?
Leopards are great climbers. We watch our prey from trees. We like to keep food in trees too.
Huh? You keep your food in trees?
Yes, it keeps it safe from our enemies. Lions and hyenas try to steal our food.
What do you eat?
We eat deer, birds, and other animals. We can swim, so we also eat fish. Leopards are fast and powerful hunters.
Your dark spots are beautiful.
Our spots blend into the grass and jungle. That helps us hide while we're hunting.
Do you live alone?
Yes, leopards like to be alone. Sometimes we make scratch marks on our trees. That tells other leopards, stay away. I'm ready to climb again. Bye.
Goodbye, leopard. Meet the animals. Gray wolf. Hi there. Who are you?
I'm a gray wolf. Wolves are a kind of wild dog. We're bigger than most pet dogs.
Where do you live?
I live in the United States. Wolves live in other parts of the world too. We live in forests and tundra and on prairies.
Are you dangerous?
Lots of people think we're dangerous. But we almost never hurt people.
What do you eat?
Sometimes we eat small animals like hares. We also hunt bison and moose.
Whoa! Bison and moose are big animals.
Yes, but wolves live in packs. We all work together to hunt big prey.
How do wolves learn to hunt?
Cubs learn by playing. They pretend to fight each other. And they chase small animals.
What's that sound?
That's our pack leader. He howls to keep our pack together. I've got to join my pack now. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Grey Wolf.
Little Fox.
Meet the animals. King Cobra. Hello. Who are you?
I'm a king cobra. We are venomous snakes.
What are venomous snakes?
Venomous snakes have a special poison. The venom is in our fangs. We can kill our enemies by biting them.
Where do you live?
We live in India, China, and Southeast Asia. We like rainforests and grasslands.
What do you eat?
King cobras mostly eat other snakes and lizards. But we can last for days without food. Sometimes we eat other small animals.
Who are your enemies?
Humans are our biggest enemy. They destroy our homes and collect us.
How do you protect yourself from humans?
We usually just try to escape. But we can stand up very tall. And we can hiss loudly. Hiss!
Is that your nest?
Yes, other snakes don't build nests. But king cobras do. And we guard them closely. Uh-oh, I hear footsteps. I have to protect my eggs. Hiss!
Goodbye, King Cobra. Meet the animals. Nile Crocodile. Hello. Who are you?
I'm a Nile Crocodile. We're the biggest reptiles on Earth.
Where do you live?
Nile crocodiles live mostly in Africa. We like warm swamps, rivers, and marshes.
Your teeth look sharp.
We have more than 60 teeth. But we can't chew with them. We can only bite.
What do you eat?
We eat fish, turtles, and crabs. Our strong jaws open very wide. So we can eat zebras and hippos too.
Are you dangerous?
Yes, Nile crocodiles are very dangerous. Sometimes we eat people.
Yikes!
But Nile crocodiles are very caring parents. Most reptiles don't stay with their eggs. We protect our eggs fiercely.
How do you swim?
We use our powerful tails to move. Our eyes and ears stay above the water. That helps us see and hear. I'm ready for a swim now. Bye.
Goodbye, Nile Crocodile.